Whether you live in a hilly area or you've just found a spot on an incline, parking on a hill is a challenge most drivers will face. Thankfully, the experts at American Family Insurance have plenty of tips to help you safely park on hills, so your car doesn't end up taking a little joyride without you. First, when parking on a hill, try to nab a spot near a curb. Why? The curb can help stop your car from rolling downhill if something happens, like if your brakes fail. Next, consider whether you're parking uphill or downhill, because that will change what you need to do to keep your car safe. If you've found an uphill parking spot, pull into it or parallel park if needed. Turn your front wheels away from the curb, and then back up until the tires touch the curb. By turning your wheels away from the curb, your car would roll back and hit it if your brakes fail. This can help prevent your car from rolling into traffic. Next, shift your car into park and turn the ignition off. But don't get out of the car yet. You're not quite done. Engage the emergency brake before leaving your car. When you're ready to get back on the road, be sure to disengage the brake. Okay, so now you know how to park uphill. What about downhill parking? Parking downhill is similar to parking uphill. First, pull into it or parallel park into your downhill parking spot. Then, turn your front wheels toward the curb and let the car roll forward a bit until the tires touch it. Finally, don't forget to engage the emergency brake before leaving your car. But what if the hill you're parking on doesn't have any curb at all? No worries, we've got you. First, pull into the open spot. Regardless of whether you're parking up or downhill, if there's no curb, you should turn your front wheels toward the side of the road and away from traffic. This way, if your vehicle rolls, it rolls into the roadside and not into oncoming traffic. As always, don't forget to engage your emergency brake before you exit your vehicle. And there you have it. With these tips, you'll be able to park on hills like a pro. Another pro move? Getting a custom auto insurance policy from your local American Family agent. With great discounts and special coverages, you can design a policy that lets you take control of what you pay for insurance and protects you against the unexpected. Ready for more great auto tips? Visit amfam.com or contact your local agent today.
American Family Insurance.